I'm Melissa Trevino, your neighborhood news reporter in Duval County. I'm standing inside the county's old juvenile detention center. Workers began last year turning this into an emergency operations center to help keep people in this county safe.
80% of it is complete. There's still some minor details. We just finished some stuff on some plumbing.
Sally Lichenberger, Duval County Emergency Management Coordinator, gave me a tour of the county's new Emergency Operations Center. She says a full remodel is happening inside what used to be the old Juvenile Detention Center. Lichenberger showed me crews working on the doors, bunks for the first responders, and the new dispatch center.
This is the place we'll get to meet the before, the during, and the after. There's always 3 steps for everything.
I was at the ceremony in May 2024 when officials announced a multi-million-dollar grant would cover renovations. She says this is a welcomed change for the 25-year-old building.
Before, they used to meet at the county courtroom, and this is the room where, see, we still need our TVs and tables and everything, but this is the command center where we'll go ahead and everybody's going to be able to meet here.
The emergency management coordinator tells me she's looking forward to the new facility.
If there's a storm or any kind of emergency, it doesn't have to be just a storm, fires or anything. This is the place to meet. And then the recovery, if there's any kind of recovery that needs to be taking place, this is the place that we're going to have to be meeting at.
County officials expect to move into the new building in October. The emergency management coordinator tells me Duval County has plans to upgrade other buildings as part of improving its county-wide emergency plan. In Duval County, I'm Melissa Trevino, your neighborhood news reporter, Press 6 News.